Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So for example, if you're selling your iPhone or just do not want tracking enabled, you may need to turn off Find My iPhone. So here's how to do it on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. You have to go to Settings application on your phone, and at the very top of your screen you have to tap your Apple ID banner. That's where you can see your profile picture and your name. And then you want to here find My section. And at this point your iPhone could ask you to enter your Apple ID password. So type it in, and in this Find My page at the top you should see this option Find My iPhone, and find an option Find My iPhone, and you want to toggle this switch off next to this option. Yes, and again to do that you need to confirm it with your password. So enter your password and press turn off button, and that's done. Find My iPhone is disabled now on your phone, and your device is no longer linked to your Apple ID for location tracking. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.